Become a future-ready legal professional. The BA LLB integrated program at Chandigarh University features professional networking and learning opportunities with legal experts, law practitioners, and judiciary members. Gain a competitive edge with state-of-the-art infrastructure, including arbitration rooms, mediation chambers, and advanced technology to simulate real-world alternative dispute resolution scenarios. Get ready for leadership roles in the corporate legal sector with diverse specializations. Leverage facilities like state-of-the-art moot court and master dispute resolution with comprehensive training in arbitration, mediation, conciliation, and negotiation. Specialize in ADR with Madhyastha, Center of Excellence in ADR, where you'll engage in cutting-edge research and practice. Learn from expert faculty and a distinguished team of legal professionals. Secure top externship opportunities with legal experts and gain hands-on training to enhance your litigation and dispute resolution skills.
It's such a beautiful infrastructure. And as I told you, that the words like moot, they were not even known to us. And now at such a young age, you will know the meaning of meditation also. And I convey all my blessings to you.
Gain industry insights with internships through industry collaborations with Nax Legal, IOTA Analytics, and Jupitis. Achieve a promising career in the legal profession. Our graduates are making their mark in the legal field. Enroll today at Chandigarh University, a world of opportunities.